Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Science for You. Today, I am going to show you how to make an obstacle-avoiding robot that uses an advanced algorithm. This robot senses the obstacles on both left and right sides and decides to go in the direction without obstacle. In this obstacle course that I have made, during the first two obstacles, the robot has to go to the left, and in the last two obstacles the robot has to go towards the right. You can see that in the obstacle course that I have made, the robot detects the obstacles, turns by itself and comes out successfully. Please subscribe to my channel to see similar interesting videos in the future. Thank you. Now let us learn how to make this obstacle-avoiding robot with advanced algorithm. For this project, you need two numbers of geared motors, two numbers of 65mm diameter wheels, Arduino Uno board L298N motor driver module, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, SG90 servo motor and a caster wheel as the main components. The caster wheel has a ball inside it which can roll in any direction. First, take a plywood board and cut into the shape as shown. Also make two holes for the motor wires to pass through and also for fixing the caster wheel. The drawing template for the plywood is given in the description box. First, we have to fix the two motors on either sides as shown in the video. Now, fix the wheels on both the motors. Take the positive and negative wires of both the motors through the hole from below to the top. Now, we have to fix the caster wheel at the front. Providing a caster wheel at the front helps the robot to quickly change direction, since it has a ball that can roll in any direction. Now, fix the battery pack, L298N motor driver and the Arduino board as shown. Fix the SG90 servo motor module. Also fix the ultrasonic sensor on the servo motor module. All the parts are now fixed. It is time to give the electrical connections. First, connect the positive terminal from the battery to the positive input terminal of the motor driver board and negative terminal from the battery to the ground terminal of the motor driver board. Connect two jumper wires also along with it, which will be required for powering the Arduino board. Now connect the jumper wire connected to the positive battery terminal to VIN pin of the Arduino board. Connect the other jumper wire to ground pin of the Arduino board. Now, connect the electrical wires from both the motors to the motor driver module as shown. Take 4 jumper wires and connect them to pin numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7. Connect the other end to the motor direction control pins of the motor driver board, as shown. Connect another jumper wire to the ultrasonic sensor. Connect the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor to pin number 8 of the Arduino board, trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to pin number 9 of the Arduino board, VCC pin of the sensor to +5V pin of the Arduino board and ground pin of the Arduino sensor to ground pin of the Arduino board. Now connect jumper cable to the servo motor. Connect the signal cable, orange wire, from the servo motor to pin number 10 of the Arduino board, power cable, red wire, to +5V pin of the Arduino board and ground cable, black wire, to ground pin of the Arduino board. The batteries have to be now installed in the battery pack. Now, we have to connect the Arduino board to laptop or PC using an USB cable and upload a code. The code can be downloaded from the link given in the description box. Let us now test the working of the obstacle avoiding robot. In this obstacle course that I have made, during the first 2 obstacles, the robot has to go to the left, and in the last 2 obstacles the robot has to go towards the right. You can see that in the obstacle course that I have made, the robot detects the obstacles, turns by itself and comes out successfully. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting experiment and DIY projects in future. Thank you.